Hello guys, I'm coming with another makeup tutorial. This time I'll be doing a little bit crazy makeup, especially as regards eyes. I think great for festivals or parties. So if you like to see the individual stages of this creation, please keep watching. I've already primed my lids and I'm beginning to blend in my crease this pinkish red shadow called Kogi from Juvia's Magic Palette. And I'm using fluffy brush as to create the smoke of color. With more precise brush in my outer and inner corner, I'm applying violet shadow from Morphe 35B palette. To be precise, I'm mixing these two darkest violet shadows from this palette. And I'm trying to blend this color on my lid, leaving the center part as we are going to create something similar to halo eye. I'm not trying to be super precise in the center because in a moment I will be creating some shape there in contrasting color. In this step, more important is to blend this violet in the crease with this pinkish red smoke. Now in my center part, I'm creating a shape which is intended to simulate sunset reflecting in the water, and I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer for this and several thin brushes because I couldn't match with suitable one for this job. When I'm satisfied with the shape more or less, I'm moving on to pressing on this shape first intense yellow shadow from Inglot and next foil gold yellow shadow called Nubia from Magic Palette. Just what you'd expect from sunset, I'm adding a little bit of orange shadow from Morphe 35B palette near the verge of this shape on both sides. In next step, I'm sticking about this shape in the center a little bit of gold and silver glitters from Polish brand, specializing in such products as glues for lashes, for nails and some decoration elements, for example glitters. And in order to stick these glitters, I'm using glitter primer from NYX. I'm creating a little triangle. Next, in the crease, I'm deepening this arch with Extreme Sparkle eyeliner from Golden Rose in shade gold. I'm lengthening this glitter triangle towards my brow a little, And I'm adding Nubia shadow to this yellow shape again. Now we are moving on to lower eyelid, and we are doing almost the same. In outer and inner part we are applying the mix of violet shadows from Morphe 35B palette, leaving the center empty, and in this place we are sticking the mix of glitters. Some finishing touches. And I applied false lashes off camera so as to speed up this tutorial. Here I'm hiding my natural lashes by applying a little bit of black eyeliner to them. I also applied black pencil to my waterline. I did second eye off camera. I also skipped applying foundation because nothing new would be tested. I applied my tested mix of Estee Lauder Double Wear, L'Oreal True Match and a little bit of Glam Glow Glow Starter Moisturizer. I'm referring you to my other videos, please see the card in upper right corner. I'm contouring my face with favorite bronzing powder from Pierre René. And one of final steps, bottom lashes. I'm priming them with Dior Maximizer Primer and applying Sephora Outrageous Calm Mascara. In my inner corners I'm applying Nubia shadow from Magic Palette. I'm highlighting the peaks of my cheekbones, my side parts of forehead and the bridge of my nose. As I always do it, I can't imagine makeup without highlighter. And the lips, I've chosen Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in shade Queen Bee. In the end, I've decided to darken outside parts of my halo eyes, and we have the final result. What do you think, guys, about my interpretation of festival look? I think this combination of violet and gold yellow is very interesting. It would be great, especially for darker than me type of beauty with dark hair and tanned skin. And finally, I managed to do eye makeup without winged liner. Okay guys, leave your comments please. If you enjoyed watching, give your thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel so as to keep up to date with my tutorials. See you in my next video, bye!